as we looked at the network, we saw that we have 2 cameras. This vehicle model is configured to have as many as 4 cameras, but 2 of our cameras are not connected in this car, and 2 cameras are connected. And now I'm looking at the current temperature in these cameras. 53 degrees C in my interior camera, 57 degrees C in my backup camera. And I can also see the maximum temperature that these cameras have seen over my 7-day period, and the running average temperature of these cameras over my 7-day period. I'll observe that my backup camera is running a little bit hotter than my interior camera, and this may be a source of concern. And it is another indicator that we can use to identify potential problems before they become problems. The intention here to find ways to manage the vehicle health that do not rely on failures, but rather on prediction of future failures.